Do you want to sell ebooks, templates, or digital guides? GoHighLevel makes selling digital downloads simple. Here's exactly how to set it up. Inside your GoHighLevel dashboard, go to Payments and add a new product. Enter your digital item details, price, and payment settings. Next, create a funnel or landing page where visitors can buy, add a strong headline, clear benefits, and a checkout form connected to your product. Set up an automation so once a payment is made, the customer instantly receives their download link through email or a thank you page. This builds trust and reduces support requests. Do you want more revenue? Add one-click upsells or bundles with related digital products. This increases your average order value without extra traffic. Finally, monitor sales inside the report and dashboard. Test different price points, page designs, and upsells to maximize results. And that's how you do it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.